Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you 5 basic Excel formulas that every beginner should know. These formulas will save your time and improve your productivity. Let's begin. The first formula is sum. It helps us to add values quickly. For example, in this Excel sheet, we have a list of expenses to calculate the total expense. First, click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Now type equal sum, click the tab, and next select the range of cells you want to add. For example, I'm selecting from B2 to B6, so it looks like this, and now press enter. Now I get the total. You can also click the auto sum button on top. It does the same job. Next is the average formula. It helps us to find the average value of a group of numbers. For example, in this Excel sheet, we have student marks. To calculate the average mark, first click on the cell where you want the result. Now type equal average, click the tab. Next, select the range of cells. I'm selecting from E2 to E6, so the formula looks like this. Now press enter, you'll see the average of all the values. The next formula is maximum. This is used to find the highest number in a list. For example, here we have sales values. To find the highest sale, click the cell where you want the result. Now type equal max, click the tab, then select the range of values like H2 to H10. Once you've selected the range, press enter. It shows the maximum value from the list. Now let's look at the MIN formula. It gives us the smallest number in the list. So again, click on the cell where you want the result. Type equal MIN, click the tab, then select the range of values, for example, H2 to H10. Once you select it, press enter. Now you get the lowest number from the range. The next one is the IF formula, very useful when we want to set a condition. For example, we want to check if a student has passed or failed. Click the cell where you want the result. Now type equal IF. Click the tab. Next, give the condition, like J2 greater than or equal to 35. Then type comma, write pass in double quotes. Again, comma, write fail in double quotes. It looks like this if J2 greater than or equal to 35, then pass, otherwise fail. Now press enter and it shows the result. You can drag the formula down to apply it to all students. The last one is the Concat formula. This helps us to combine text from different cells. For example, here we have a first name and last name. Click the cell where you want the full name to appear. Now type equal concat, click the tab. Next, select the first name cell M2, then type a comma. Now type double quotes, space, double quotes to add a space between names. Then another comma and select the last name cell N2. Now press enter. It joins the first name and last name together. And that's it. These are the 5 essential Excel formulas every beginner should know. With just a few formulas, you can save a lot of time and make your work easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.